Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon and good evening from different part of the world. Today is the 14th of February 2023. Valentine Day, guys. That's right. We had amazing blessing Valentine Day morning, guys. Bank amazing profit. Most of my traders bank 100 plus pips. That's right. So let me share with you guys how I help my traders to squeeze amazing profit this morning. I think it's 10:40 now. We just finished London morning and enjoying my coffee and a lot of pips. Let me share with you guys how I help my traders to squeeze very good pips. And as always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. And let me share with you the best trades we had this morning. I'm not going to go, normally I do only 3 pairs, but let me share with you the targets which we recently just had. You can see here, let me make it slightly bigger. You can see here, 5 minutes. We just had this target hit, which is the pound Swiss franc. And that was a pretty straightforward. As you can see here, that was the based on the consolidation. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, let me share with you guys right. So you can see here, pretty straightforward. We were expecting a pullback, and if you look at this candle, and we have bullish engulfing candle, you can see here, and that was a pretty straightforward. If you look at here, we are looking a pullback. So technically the safest trade, as I explained my trader, look for this breakout, which we did this analysis, pound Swiss franc. This is the analysis, and based on that, you can see profit target hit, bank amazing profit. And how we define the profit target, which is pretty straightforward, guys. You can see here, almost hit and bank amazing profit. That was the pound Swiss franc. The second one is the euro yen. Beautiful. You can see here, pretty straightforward. As explained to my trader, we were watching in 4-hour. Let me share with you 4-hour chart. So if you look at the 4-hour chart, pretty straightforward. As you can see here, the price nicely, we had this beautiful long trade yesterday, amazing profit bank. Most of my traders really enjoyed this one. So pretty straightforward. We were expecting a pullback around this level, so but we need a valid technical entry in intraday, and that's what we did this morning analysis. You can see here, just before London Open, as explained my trader, look for this breakout. And if you look at the price structures, price nicely even developed inverted head and shoulder pattern, as you can see here, and that give us a significant bias for long because based on the 4-hour, and that's what we're expecting here. So that was a beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, which is, you can see here, as soon as I explained to our trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. That was a beautiful trade, amazing, this London morning. Then we have a dollar yen. That was the trade just a few minutes ago. We had it. We did this analysis, look for this breakout, and based on the 4-hour, our bias was long. And let me explain to you why I'm saying that. Pretty straightforward. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, price nicely broken the previous high yesterday. So we were expecting a pullback. And if you look at this candle, bullish inside candle pattern, so we were expecting this breakout, wedge breakout, which price nicely developed this analysis. Based on this analysis, as you can see here, the price nicely broken and hit to the target. And as soon as the first target hit, that's what I explained, that you can bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. That was a beautiful trade. Right, so pound yen was my favorite trade, guys. That was a beautiful. You can see here, price nicely broken after the breakout and pulled back. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, and say, guys, enjoy. That was amazing trade. Let me share with you the 4-hour analysis. And if you look at here, that was a pretty straightforward. All the yen pair, we were expecting a pullback, because based on the 4-hour, price nicely broken this one previously and retest this one around this level, and we have this level. So technically we were expecting around this level a pullback, but we need a valid technical entry, and that's why we did this analysis this morning. Price developed this structure, and that's what I explained my trader look for. If the price is going to break this one, keep taking a pullbacks. That's what I explained my trader. And not about just producing analysis, we also broadcast when the opportunities raise according to this analysis through live audio commentary. And you can see here, as soon as the price hit to the previous high, that's what I explained my trader, guys, it's time to enjoy profit. That was amazing trade. Pound yen, very good trade. All right, so let's move into the pound dollar. We also had a very good trade, guys. Beautiful. And that was a pretty straightforward. In the morning, price developed a false breakout. And as I explained, if the price going to break, keep taking a pullbacks. Or if break short, taking a short. Let me share with you the 4-hour chart. You can see here, that was a pretty straightforward. Yesterday we had such a nice long trade. If you haven't seen my analysis, you can find the video link given in the video description. So pretty straightforward, guys. Price nicely broken this previous high, so we were expecting a pullback. That was happened, and the target was the previous high, which price nicely hit. So we did this morning analysis. That was a pretty straightforward, as you can see here, just before London open, and after that price broken. After the breakout, we had another pullback as soon as the price hit to the profit target, and that's what I explained my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit. That was a beautiful trade, no doubt. All right, so EURUSD, yes, we had a beautiful trade. We had a one trade at the Asian session, which was broken. You can see here, price nicely broken. And when we had it in the London morning session, that was a pretty straightforward, a pullback long here. Let me share with you the 4-hour chart, guys. That was a beautiful. All right, so if you look at the EURUSD, we had price nicely respected yesterday. We had this long trade here. So this morning we were expecting here, as explained to my trader, look here, price broken this level. If you look at here, so if the price gonna break, which broken in the Asian session, and if the price is retest, then look for long. So in intraday we have this function, you know, this possibility develop. And we have taken, and the target was this level, which price nicely hit 200 EMA. Let me share with you. This is the analysis we did. This is the analysis we did at the Asian session. You can see here, that was a pretty straightforward. Price nicely broken. And after that, we did another analysis in London morning. So based on this analysis, we had this breakout pullback. So then at London morning, we did this analysis. Basically, we're trying to push our trade not to miss any opportunity, because that was the high probability trade. And as you can see here, price nicely hit to the profit target with the fib channel, first target, and which explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis. As I said to you guys, we analyze market in 4 hours. We build our buys and the trend identification, and then we look at in intraday and refine the entries and exit, and we bank amazing profit. You can see here, guys, most of the traders bank amazing profit today. All right, I hope you enjoyed this analysis. London morning, amazing pips at the Valentine day. That was, I wasn't expecting that type of mode, but we managed beautiful trade. I hope you enjoyed this analysis. As always mentioned to you guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time. And if you have all this analysis with the live audio commentary support, just imagine how much profit you can make it through this live intraday analysis. And top of that, you can develop your skill through live intraday analysis. And once you build a confidence, and if you produce good result in virtual platform, then I can also help you to get funded. So most welcome, guys, and join my fast growing trader community. I'm also about to launch funded company very soon, guys. Stay tuned, join, most welcome. For more information, I'm also offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome, join our fast growing trader community, and have a nice day, guys. Happy Valentine Day, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay blessed. All the best.